Hey everybody, Ryan here from Angela Calls him. Gonna do an unboxing of this Hohem iSteady M7. Just got this in. Now it's still on sale at Best Buy right now. Regular $399 on for $299. So excellent deal on this. Now it's funny. This comes at a great time. I'm actually going to be starting to record some more pipe band stuff. So I'm looking for a great way to record that. This is a great opportunity. This is what they call a gimbal. So you put your phone in it, you can lock on it, and as you can move it around, it's going to stay steady. And it even comes with a little remote with a little camera preview of what it sees. So I'm looking forward to seeing it. So let's just do an unboxing, and then I'll give you a full review in the next little bit. But like again, if you're interested, May 31st is the sale on at Best Buy. Where did that pin go? Oh well, I'll find it later. Hopefully not when I step on it. Let's see this. Like, I'm not much of that kind of been using this kind of stuff in the past. I've used, remember this guy, smartish kind of thing. That was kind of neat. But this will be really cool. Yeah, I'm looking forward to trying this out. It comes with a light built in, a battery charger, a tripod. So if you want to just set it down, I'm looking forward to seeing how it works. It's got a nice little carrying bag. That's heavy duty. You know it's important when it's got its own zip case. Let's go through it. Okay, so what do we get in the box here? Bunch of manuals, which, I mean, come on. Am I going to read the manuals? You know me. I'm just going to dink around with it and see what happens. Charging cable. What do they give you? I'm assuming everything's C these days. C to A. Okay. And a little C to C adapter because it actually can charge your phone. Like once this thing is all charged up, you can do that. So we've got an adapter for the tripod feet, so you can put it down. That's going to be handy when I do some band recording. Let's pull this out. Okay, interesting. Again, I've not really played with this before to see how this all works. So apparently this guy, how does he come off? There we go. Oh, just little buttons there. You can put them there. Any other spot you can go into? I wasn't sure. It looked like he could kind of go anywhere. I guess you could put him that way, depending on if you're doing selfies or whatever. So that's kind of a neat little connection by magnets. So there, we put our phone in there, and I would love to have it have QI, but you know, I get it. We can adjust that. We've got an app we can probably go through. That's what your phone's going to set on. That can lock in place. So there we go, and that goes there. And there's a USB-C out. Lock this in place. That's another tripod mount. I wonder if that comes off then. How do we get that to switch around? Anyways, we're going to play around with this as we see. Charge it in there. You know, this is, I guess, to adjust the light, I think it was on there. And then we got this guy, the little battery thing that more control that. So I am looking forward to playing around with this. Probably going to actually have to read the manual to see how it all works out and how it's going to be for me. So there we go. Now that's up. Wow, look at this. Just gyroscope. It just going to spin around, do all fun, funky things. Okay. Hohem iSteady M7. Looking forward to reviewing it. If you have any questions about it, give me a shout.